oh baby. It's a shame that we don't operate well, baby. Cause you're bad for my health, I swear you go to hell. Take the L, I don't wanna see you swell no more. And you might be the death of me now, baby, but we don't want no homicide now, do we? And shooting my soul so loud, are you happy now? Cause I really hate you, cause you made me so blue. And I promise to God I'll cut you off. But I really need you, and I really don't want to, yeah. But we'll keep playing games till you fuck off. No, there's no more saving things. You gon' pay with pain. I just taste the fame and all my fans, they hate your name. You can't meet me in the next life and the next one again. Cause I really hate you, cause you made me so blue. And I promise to God I'll cut you off.
Please, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you can come at your 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are your two.
So I spell is green here.
If you want to start from here, you can start.
Okay, I'll use from this 6 service. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, that's no, you have to go around, then enter your house. So you have
Everywhere is quite messy. I'm trying to do my makeup and film content, and I also want to step out to see a friend. I don't know if it's me, but I love blush. I don't mind putting it too much. I'm always rambling when it has to makeup. I always don't want to like share too much information. There's the ones that what am I saying? Concealer. I don't know why I'm filming with my I'm charging the camera battery for cutting down shoots. That's it. Today's makeup did not really. It's not even like that. We're gonna do what we're gonna do. We're gonna use it like that. It's the kid though.
And packaging in a one night for shows, I'm juggling flow like the ocean, my port, I'm paddling. Shout out Bella, that's my bro, my family, frozen trace. When it comes to money, I did concentrate. But I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a shit, I'll be head of state. But my people then go say, I know one bite, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Bentley.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right, but it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous. Fact 'cause they'll break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making love.
Fine.
Internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got it. Internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. But if we met somewhere else, would things be different? Or am I wasting my time over analyzing everything that I never said? Why can't I make up my mind? 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules, and I'm a loser for thinking I've got
I think I do this every time.
heart. Tell me, what am I supposed to do? 'Cause I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. I've got it. Internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush. Internet crush.
Alex, Epps. Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee, because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair, was me out of fear. You'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. 'Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. He doesn't see us. You're not looking at me, boy. Good boy's a liar. Good boy's a liar. We could find a place to relax and cool down summer, cool now breezy, cool down summer, cool down love, cool down summer, cool now breezy, cool down summer, cool down love, cool down summer, cool now breezy, cool now summer, cool down love. Cool down, 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 cool down.
Baby, make me tell you this. I won't no time, I'll be proceeding. The way you moving really got me feelings. Like say you forgot to know you're dealing. Man, I feel good when I'm at work non-stop. You look good for dinner when I come back. Sometimes you come out from that. If you walk and leave, yeah, me not come back.
Hi guys, it's been a hot minute. I've been doing mostly silent vlogs. I just thought to just check in on you, know how you're doing, and yeah, basically please just hear my voice. Yeah, so I want to go, like I need to go and work out. I'm trying to stay consistent at least 3 to 4 times a week, and I think I've only worked out twice, so this is going to be like the 3rd time. We will get some calories burned. That I have to go out to create content with my friend, so I'm going to be styling my hair, doing my makeup and all of that stuff. I'm going to see if I can make video because the weather is very hot, and for the past 5 days I've been having light issues, and I've still not like fixed my gen, and yeah, I don't know how I'm going to make that work, but I'm going to push myself today. I'm going to try my best because I've really been in funk for a while. The only thing I just do is just go walk and yeah, come back, rest, and that's it. Like now I need to pick up my own activities. I need to get back into my normal groove. So yeah, let's see how that goes. Hi guys, good morning. So today is Sunday. Today is 28th of March, and I have an event to attend. I want to attend Ash Luxury Sunday market event, but my boss called me in to come, do a little walk. So I'm going in to see what that is. Then when I'm done, I'm going to be going to the market event. So yeah, that's all that. So I finally wrote my first exam yesterday. My next one is tomorrow. So by God's grace, once everything is done, I can get back to doing my normal day-to-day activities. It's just been so overwhelming, and yeah, that's it. That's all the information. Yeah, so catch you guys another time. Bye.